Hey, so today Andrew and I have some errands to run, so I thought it would be a good day to try out these Neoism motion sickness glasses. The both of us have really bad car sickness. Andrew is a little worse than mine. I can't take him anywhere, even if it's a 10 or 15-minute drive. He will not last without throwing up. We always have to make sure that we have a bag for him to throw up in because that's usually how the car ride ends. I felt really bad for him because he always tells me to leave him behind, so I have to leave him with my parents. I've been trying to find ways of helping this problem, so hopefully these glasses get the job done. This is the case. These are the glasses. So there's two. We have two, one for me and one for Andrew because, like I said, I get motion sickness as well. So we're gonna try these out today and see what it does for us. The glasses are framed by 4 circular rims, 2 in front and 1 on each side. The tubed rims are filled with a bright blue liquid. The blue liquid moves when you move to create an artificial horizon to help synchronize your vision with your balance system. So here's Andrew. So Andrew has his on. Are you ready to get in the car and see if it helps you? Andrew is really scared. He's afraid that it's not going to work. So he's trying to convince me to leave him at my parents' house. But come on, Drew. You got to go with me. I have to put Drew's on right now because he is panicking. He's afraid. So we have to put his on. So far, so good. We are almost at our destination and he's still up. Usually he'll try to force himself to sleep so he don't throw up, but he's still up, so he's doing good. It's been working for me. And we're back home from running our errands and Andrew did not throw up, so that's very good. He even stayed up. He usually tries to make himself go to sleep so that he doesn't feel anything. So the motion sickness glasses will actually be something that I will make sure that I have with me in a car at all times. I love that it comes in this case, so it's even easier for him to grab it. I can just place it by his mask so he knows to grab both of them, and we can just hit out the door and not worry about throw up. You can find the Neoism motion sickness glasses on Amazon. I will provide the link down in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with any of your friends or family members. They will love you forever. Bye, you guys.